Oh, it's need to find the center.
Yeah. So this is the law of the daily work or product or mass production. For example, 100 garments.
At the moment.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And it was just this true. We also when we do this, we also like that. Yeah.
It's a lot of time.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Good. Perfect.
But actually.
But the second, how about the second one? So, I mean, this is the first one. When you measure that, you have a mark here. Everyone you have to measure and mark.
And make marks.
Okay, that's really just measure and mark is with time.
Yes.
Yeah.
And after when you remove it,
yeah,
you have
the bird.
yes, and it's not good,
But this one you never have
it's
that.
defective.
But the MaggieFrame you never have that.
Yes, it's great, but it says defective.
So the customer, the customer when they see this, they are not so satisfied or happy. But yeah, with
And
this,
you can remove it, iron, no, it's always here.
yeah.
And you need to talk with everybody and say, it's
Because
okay, it's embroidery, it's okay, don't worry.
Okay. But when you have when you use the MaggieFrame, the magnet hook, there is no. You try that. So right here. And it's very simple. Pin to self, it's faster because we don't need to adjust the screws, and there's no no trace of marks on it. This, I think this is the advantage. This is the advantage of this kind of thing. And this is for mass production. With one shirt, just for one customer, they say I have a shirt or garments, I just want one shirt, for example, just one shirt. This it help a little bit, but not really so productive, helpful. So because we, as you said, we measure it and mark and just it's okay. But when we do 10 or
Sometimes we made 100 and
Yeah.
every.
you do some
It's
when you
a lot
do
of time with money for salary.
yes, and when you do 100 same size shirts, and it's different. It's so different with this same numbers. Because the first one is measure, mark, and we find the center. But the second one just put